Hey YouTube! Before I start, I just want to quickly draw attention to the East Africa famine. It's actually a huge crisis right now. Almost 30,000 children under 5 have died already from the famine, and it's affecting multiple countries in East Africa, and the UN actually declared famine, which they haven't done for I think almost 30 years. So it's a really huge issue, and it's not getting covered so much because of financial crisis and because of other issues that the media is covering instead. So please check out this issue. One website is eastafricafamine.com. There are other websites. There are plenty of websites. You just look it up on Google, East Africa famine. So yes, thank you for listening. Okay, on to administrative matters. I've finally become a YouTube partner, which is quite exciting. I have considered becoming one for a while, but I wasn't sure that I wanted to. A year ago, I wasn't sure if I wanted to develop the sort of consistent content that didn't contain any copyrighted music or material, but I realized that I really don't usually use that kind of content at all in my videos, so there's really no point in not being a YouTube partner. I was being really stubborn for a while. So there's that, and I also finally got video editing software. I'm not sure if you noticed, but my videos were quite nebulous there for a while because I had no way of editing them because the software that I downloaded just did not support my HD camcorder. But I finally found a program that I'm using on trial, on a free trial. It's called Vegas Pro 10.0. Not even Premiere Pro would work on my computer, but Vegas Pro did, so yay, Vegas Pro. Okay, there's two things out of the way. Thirdly, I want to sincerely apologize for not writing back to every message I've been getting. As you might have suspected, I get probably more messages than I can feasibly respond to. You know, part of it is just it's not physically possible, and well, I mean it is, but I don't know. The other part of it besides that is just that I just have this weird habit of getting phone calls, getting emails, getting texts, getting messages on YouTube, and looking at them and reading them and being like, oh, that was very interesting, I quite enjoyed that, and then just not writing back.